Today, as we celebrate the National Space Day 2025, this celebration is jointly organized by the Remote Sensing Application Center, Uttar Pradesh, and the Indian Society of Geomatics, Lucknow chapter. We are here to celebrate India's pride in space science and ignite young mind to aim for the stars. मैं अपने सभी डैश पे उपस्थित सारे गेस्ट से रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि वो दीप प्रज्वलन करें, कार्यक्रम की शुरुआत करें.
यहाँ पे सर, यहाँ देखिए सर.
ठीक है. Carry effects are really.
चैप्टर से रिक्वेस्ट करता हूँ कि वो डैश पे आए और इंडियन सोसाइटी ऑफ जियोमेटिक्स के बारे में एक ब्रीफ आप लोगों को बताएं.
Today it is a very special day when entire country is celebrating its second National Space Day. A big function is going on there in Delhi at Kalyan Mandapam, rather Bharat Mandapam, and each and every state, the organizations which are related with the remote sensing technique or space sciences technique, they are celebrating this program today in their premises. Before starting my speech, I welcome my chief guest, Dr. Trupendra Singh, Pro Vice Chancellor, Chandigarh University, Dr. K.C. Bhattacharya ji, former director, NSEC, Dr. D.K. Mishra from ISTREC, and Dr. Upma Chaturvedi from our Dos Degree College and our Vice Chairman of the Society. This Indian Society of Geomatics Lucknow chapter is just like a Shishu. Just 3 months back, it was formed in association with RSEC UP, which celebrates National Space Day, honoring India's space achievement and inspiring future generations. Lucknow, India, 23rd August, the Indian Society of Geomatics is thrilled to announce the celebration of National Space Day, commemorating India's remarkable achievements in space exploration and technology. This momentous occasion marks a significant milestone in India's space journey, highlights the nation's growing power and harnessing space technology for societal benefits.
Space is not just about rockets and satellites, it's also about imagination, dreams, and courage. To share with us the essence of Space Day, I invite to Professor Upma Chaturvedi, Vice Chairman, ISG Lucknow.
A very good morning to everyone present here. Respected dignitaries, esteemed guests, colleagues, students, and space enthusiasts. A very good morning to all of you. Today we gathered here to celebrate National Space Day, a day that honors the spirit of exploration, innovation and scientific excellence that has placed India amongst the leading space-faring nation of the world. The theme of 2025 is leveraging space technology and application for Viksit Bharat 2047. This date, 3rd August, holds special significance for all of us. It marks the historic day in 2023 when Chandrayaan-3 successfully landed near the moon's south pole, Shiv Shakti, making India the first country in the world to achieve this remarkable feat.
I became part of ISRO many years ago, 1972 to be precise. And today, after entering this auditorium, as we always remember, once again I remember after seeing the portrait of Dr. Vikram Sarabhai, charts which was negotiated with the local people to be converted to Space Science and Technology Laboratory, and only conveyance was a few bicycles, and people did that. 1963 they launched that small rocket, 45 kilograms of payload, weather study that we have in our country. We are definitely going to do something that is otherwise considered impossible. That means a country like India can also become a leader in most advanced space technology.
Very good morning to all of you. Students, I said good morning. That's better, now it's buzzing. To Indian Society of Geomatics, Lucknow chapter, and a Remote Sensing Application Center UP. The remote sensing capability satellites, the commercial launches, and the Gaganyaan mission. Yesterday only I was reading the Gaganyaan mission is ready to be launched in the month of December, where half humanoid robot named, correct me if I am wrong, Vyomamitra is all set to be launched in the month of December. Space-based solar power, deep space exploration, and need not to repeat once again, AI and robot. As I said, one first half humanoid robot going with Gaganyaan. So all these are the future of India. Space journey lies in your imagination. Not only discover, in fact, you will look through the life beyond Earth. So other planets where human or Homo sapiens.
Something unique in this sky, and this is nothing but the. Can you make out what it is? Regular curriculum. We had to do our own study, and first thing we had to know was that the weightlessness in the space.
मेरा नो है सप्लाई कंट्रोलिंग का, so you can ask any questions, any kind of doubts if you have. कोई चीज ऐसा तो नहीं बोल सकते it is impossible. Science है, but very difficult to maintain that. But if you launch it, it बताता रहता है. So it is landing very safely.
The Milky Way has over 100 billion stars, and tonight's sky shows only a teeny fraction of them. Now let's enjoy a beautiful presentation by the astrophotographers of Lucknow, capturing the universe through their lenses.
Amritanshi Vajpayee, please stand here. Educator and STEM educator and science writer, amateur astronomers club since 2014 and has been associated with
sky. So basically, before taking you into the inception that what is happening at the level of the cosmos,
there is no prerequisite that you need to have a certain degree or you have to be a certain dignitary to be a part of our community. You just have to be.
जो जितने
जितने भी स्टूडेंट्स हैं, अभी आप लोग स्पेस में क्या कर सकते हैं ना, कमेंट को किसी, ये जो सप्तऋषि वर्ड इन लोगों ने यूज किया है, दिस इज अ ग्रुप, कोई इसमें फीस नहीं लगती है, आप उसको खोज के अपना नाम दे सकते हैं.
Anything that we do has to have an inspiration, and so the inspiration for space exploration was stargazing, we can say.
Present and beyond. Beyond depicts the future. Here we have taken the most initial.
यहाँ पर दिखाया गया बीच में कि हमारा स्पेस में ISS में
विक्रम साराभाई, चंद्रयान 1, चंद्रयान 2, ऐसे करके हमारे काफी सारे मिशन.
Leadership Shakti. We have made a poster which was handled and the involvement of India in space research.
A very good afternoon to one and all present here. Today, as we all know, we have assembled here to celebrate the second National Space Day. So on this, our poster beautifully portrays.
Good afternoon everyone. We are students of IT College MA1. We are honored to present a poster on the topic Past, Present and Beyond, Evolving Story Launching SLB Exploration. For betterment of all, we must explore. On other planets, we don't. Yes, there are resources.
So good afternoon everyone. Today, I, Mansi Yadav and Devyani Dikshit,
That the challenge of ambition, the challenge of foundation, and the challenge of preparation that in
वर्तमान हमारी सांसों में और भविष्य अनंत आकाश की तरह असीम संभावनाओं से भरा है.
starting the journey with daring and pioneer who looked up at the stars and dared to wonder. Future possibilities are truly limitless. Missions like ESS, ExoMars, and NASA's Dragonfly will explore distant worlds.
भारत का पहला मानव निर्मित मिशन, इसका उद्देश्य 3 अंतरिक्ष यात्रियों को पृथ्वी की.
Good morning everyone. I am Shelly Mishra with my friend Soumya Mishra.
अंतरिक्ष की गहराइयों में भारत की खोज जारी है, नई ऊंचाइयों की ओर भारत की उड़ान जारी है.
Good afternoon to everyone present over here. First of all, I would like to thank
Built satellite launched on 19th April 1975.
future aspect which is always limitless. So, continuing with the past, this is the beginning of the space century. It begins in the 19th century.
Present and beyond the space exploration. We have highlighted the milestones like Sputnik First, 1957.
Good morning everyone. My name is Jamia Hassan, a third year BTech student from Integral University. India has a proud heritage of economical and astronomical.
And I will be talking about the future, like for
भी गया था, आज वही चांद पे तिरंगा लहराया है. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, the missile man of India, whose words and dreams.
Akshara Vajpayee, Akshara Vajpayee from Chandigarh University, Unnao campus, present over here to explore ahead, past, present and beyond. Exploring beyond, inspiring. So first of all,
So very good afternoon to everyone. So here we are today for the poster on the basic scheme of. On the right hand side, we can see an ISS, International Space Program. It is for the astronauts.
Today, we are gathered here to celebrate National Space Day, a tribute
just about rockets or satellites. It is about transforming life on Earth and opening new frontiers for humanity from predicting.
Today I am here to start. Today I am here to.
In conclusion, my for those who mark a historic milestone with Gaganyaan.
Pursuing MTech from School of Engineering at 57, and second, the
Medical College of Dazarvin. Maintaining discipline.
B option, Neil Armstrong.
Yes, very good. This is the right answer. Girl lost her life in 2003. It was Discovery, Columbia, Challenger or Endeavour.
जो आप खड़े हो रहे हो ना, आपके बगल में जो मैम बैठी हुई है, उनको बोलो. आप बताओ.
One from Chandigarh University.
Yes.
Pragya Shukla.
तो कुछ बच्चों ने रियली बहुत अच्छा बोला है।
सर, आई वांट टू इनवाइट वन पुलिस पर्सनल, हमारे पुलिस अधिकारी यहाँ पे आए हैं हम लोग के। आई केम टू नो दैट ही इज अ मेंबर ऑफ IFG।
सभी को नमस्कार, जय हिंद। मेरा नाम सचिन सागर है और अभी मैं उत्तर प्रदेश पुलिस में सब इंस्पेक्टर बतौर चौकी इंचार्ज।
Today is the day of Chandigarh University.
City SGID, लखनऊ यूनिवर्सिटी जियोलॉजी एंड अप्लाइड जियोलॉजी डिपार्टमेंट।
काम में सहयोग करें, बैठे और बिना किसी कंप्लेन के सुबह 9 बजे से आना, 10 बजे से आना। और
भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब